The golden MA candlestick indicator for MetaTrader 4, MT4, provides easy-to-follow trend trading signals based on colored candlesticks. The indicator appears in the main MT4 chart as blue and orange colored candlesticks. Signals: a buy signal occurs as soon as the first blue colored candlestick gets printed on the chart. A sell signal occurs as soon as the first orange colored candlestick appears on the chart. The golden MA candlestick can be used for both entry and exit signals or mixed together with your own favorite trading strategy for improved performance. For scalping and day trading purposes, the indicator tends to deliver the best results during the London and US trading sessions. The indicator works equally well on all assets, forex, CFD stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and shows promising results if used correctly. The golden MA indicator is a technical analysis tool used in forex trading to identify trending market conditions. It is based on the combination of two moving averages, one of which is set to a shorter period, and the other to a longer period. The indicator generates buy and sell signals based on the crossover of these two moving averages, and is commonly used to identify the direction of the current trend and potential entry and exit points for trades. A buy signal is generated when the shorter period moving average, MA1, crosses above the longer period moving average, MA2. This indicates that the trend has shifted from bearish to bullish. Traders may choose to enter a long position in the market when this crossover occurs. Additionally, when the MA1 is above the MA2 and both are sloping upwards, it can also indicate a strong bullish trend, and traders may also choose to enter a long position. Sell signal: golden MA indicator sell signal. The golden MA indicator generates a sell signal when the short-term moving average crosses below the long-term moving average. This indicates that the trend is shifting from bullish to bearish. Traders can use this signal to close their long positions or open short positions in the currency pair being analyzed. Additionally, traders should consider fundamental factors such as economic data and political events that may affect the currency pair's price. Golden MA indicator pros and cons. Pros: provides clear buy and sell signals based on the crossing of the short-term and long-term moving averages. Can be used to identify trending markets and potential trend reversal points. Can help traders identify potential entry and exit points for trades. Can be applied to any time frame, allowing for flexibility in trading. Cons: generates many false signals in sideways or choppy markets. Is a lagging indicator, meaning it will only provide signals after the trend has already started. Is based on historical data and does not take into account any fundamental factors that may affect the currency pair's price. Should not be used as a standalone indicator. And a golden MATT trading indicator is a modification and the English version of the golden MA indicator. This indicator supplements the price chart of a currency pair with levels that form zones of sell, buy, overbought and oversold. It also shows previous day high and low of the price. In fact, the golden MATT trading indicator is an almost ready-made system for trading by levels. When combined with other technical indicators that will generate entry signals, it will already be a strategy for intraday trading. Features of golden MATT MT4 indicator platform: MetaTrader 4 ability to change settings, yes time frame, any from 1 minute to H4 currency pairs, any in golden MATT.zip file you will find golden MATT. X4 download golden MATT MT4 indicator for free. The golden MA indicator is a MetaTrader 4, MT4, indicator that can be used with any forex trading system for extra confirmation to enter or exit a trade. This indicator works with all currency pairs and all time frames. Once you download and install the indicator, it will appear in your trading chart, like the image shown above. Trading forex is easy if you have the right strategy, indicators, and discipline to stick with the rules and strategy you set. Most professional traders make profitable returns consistently. To become a successful trader, you must invest time in learning forex and develop a profitable trading strategy that suits your trading style. You can find hundreds of forex indicators like golden MA indicator on our website that can help you in building your trading strategy. Don't overcome emotions and greediness, and be patient and stick to your main trading strategy. If the trades are profitable, stick to that strategy.